Today I am unboxing the CORSAIR VS650 power supply. Here's how the box looks from outside, and these are the connectors which come with the power supply. One 24-pin motherboard connector, one 8-pin CPU connector, two 6-pin PCI Express connector, 4 SATA connectors, 4 modem connector, and 2 floppy peripheral connectors. And this is a 650 watt power supply. Here's what we get in the box. These are the instructions to dump the electronic item as an electronic waste. This is the warranty guide, CORSAIR limited warranty, and these are the important safety instructions. This is the power cable. It comes with a 100 ampere fuse. And these are the 4 mounting screws. Here we have a cooling fan on top. This is the power on off button. These are the specifications and how much power the rail is having. These are the amperage and the watts shown in the table. And this is the length of the peripheral cables. These are nylon braided cables, so they don't create much cable mesh in the cabinet. And they are very easy to organize. The quality of the connector is nice. And here we have color coding of all the cables, because in some power supplies you don't have the color coding and they use a single color for all the cables. So here you can easily identify which cable is with its color. So here we have 24-pin CPU connector, 2 PCI Express 8-pin connectors, and 1 SATA, 2 Molex and a floppy connector, and 2 SATA connectors, 1 SATA, 2 Molex and a floppy connector, and 1 CPU 8-pin connector. Here we can just separate them if required, or we can combine them also. So this was the quick unboxing and review of the power supply. Thanks for watching.